Understanding the Mitzvah Project, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Mitzvah Project. This term holds cultural significance and is rich in meaning. By understanding it, you can enrich your English vocabulary and gain insight into different cultural practices. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase. A mitzvah is a Hebrew word that translates to a good deed or a commandment. In the Jewish tradition, a mitzvah is more than just an act of kindness. It's a moral and ethical obligation. Understanding this term is key to grasping the whole concept. The word project in English usually refers to a planned endeavor or a task undertaken to achieve a specific goal. It often involves planning, effort, and a clear objective. Now, let's combine the two words. A mitzvah project is typically a charitable or community-focused project undertaken by someone, often as part of a religious or coming-of-age ceremony, like a bar or bat mitzvah. It's a way to put the ethical teachings into practice through concrete actions that benefit others. To give you a clearer picture, here are some examples. 1. Volunteering at a local shelter. This could involve helping the homeless, working at animal shelters, etc. 2. Organizing a charity event, like a fundraiser for a good cause. 3. Environmental conservation efforts, such as a tree planting campaign. These projects not only help the community but also foster a sense of responsibility and ethical growth in the individual undertaking them. The Mitzvah Project is a beautiful blend of tradition, ethical responsibility, and community service. Understanding this term not only adds to your English vocabulary but also offers a glimpse into cultural practices that emphasize doing good. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.